What's up, Q2 Technical? I'm back again with another video. Today I wanted to do first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So let's get started. So when I first picked this up out of the box and unpackaged it, I was like, wow. I was blown away. I was like, look at this nice brick of a device that looks slim on the outside, but then when you open it up on the inside, whoo, you get that nice big display. I was blown away, and I'm still blown away of how thin it looks and feels in the hand, how comfortable it is to actually hold. I just feel like this is a nice looking device overall. These are first impressions, so yeah, my first impressions might be all good things, but that could change when I do my pros and cons video. But as of right now, I'm loving this display. I'm loving the inside display, and I also do love the outside display, even though it's only a 6.2 inch display. It's still nice. I understand that it had to be narrow. They could have made it a lot bigger and longer, but that would have made the device even more expensive than it already is. So just overall, I'm just blown away, and I'm amazed with what Samsung has done with the Z Fold 3. This is my first foldable device ever, and so far, so good. Yes, the crease is in the middle, but I thought the crease would bother me a lot more, but it really doesn't. You have to have a crease because this is a folding phone, and there's gonna be a crease, but I don't focus on the crease. But yes, to me, you can't feel it. To me, I cannot feel it when I'm running through. You can feel a little indentation, but it's nothing to complain about. Why complain when you have this big old screen sitting right in front of your face? This is real nice. And some people might not want to pick up this device because they're like, why do you want to have a phone that's like a tablet? To me, this is not like a tablet. It is, but it isn't, because I have an iPad and I have the Tab S6. My iPad is 11 inches. Tab S6 is 10.1 inches. So when I pick up my tablet, when I pick up my iPad is bigger. So when I'm holding it and watching videos and trying to play games on it, I feel the heft of it. It gets a little heavy. But this is going to be perfect when I don't want to use a tablet. I have my phone right in front of me with a small enough but big enough display. I believe this is 6.7 inches. I think I stretched out here. I have to go look that up again, but I believe that's what it is. If that's not what it is, just leave me a comment in the comment section below. But I believe it's a 6.7 inch, or maybe it's a 7.6 inch display in the inside. But like I said, just leave me a comment, let me know what the inside of the display really is. All I know is this is a big, nice display when you open the device up. Look at all this area, space you have here. That's just awesome. It's like you have a little mini computer in your hand, right at your fingertips. This thing has an S Pen that goes with it, that you can use to write with it. I haven't picked one up yet, but I plan on it. But man, first impressions are dang good. Rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.